Hey dolls, welcome back to that girl Jalyn channel. What's up, you guys? What's going on? How y'all feeling? I know I am in a bonnet and I have my little robe on, but listen y'all, who cares? It's late night, it's 12 o'clock and I'm just home alone, bored, because Nair went to the studio and I was like, hey, why not make a video? Why not show you guys how I do a facial? So by the title, the caption, y'all know what I am about to do. I am about to do me a late night facial. So I use some certain products. As y'all see, your girl face is clearing up, but bam, look at that. A bump appeared on my face this morning. So I'm going to show you guys how I treat my face to get it back clear. Of course, this bump wasn't that red this morning. Only reason why it's red is because I messed with it. When something appear on my face, because I look at my face every day, when something appear on my face, I just be like, let me pick at it, let me do something, let me try to get it away. But I need to change my mindset to where I'm just like, if I mess with it, it's gonna be worse. So if I mess with it, it's just gonna spread. So I just need to get in the habit of not touching my face. Do not touch your face, okay? Because I already told you guys, my habit is me touching my face. So I am going to do a little facial. So with that being said, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I use to do my at-home facial. So I got this little bubbler thing that I'm going to be steaming my face with. I really love this, you guys. You know why? Because I wanted a facial steamer so bad, and Vanity Planet, they reached out to me and was like, hey, can you do a review on our steaming machine? So I was like, hey, why not? I needed this anyway, so hello. So I am going to be doing a review on this on my main channel, so make sure you guys go check that out. But I'm going to be using my exfoliator, moisturize, and lift machine, wand, whatever you want to call it, okay? And then I am going to be using my suction pen, okay? We're gonna be using our suction pen. So let me show you guys something. Let me show y'all my mirror. This is where some of the lighting is coming from, okay? Y'all see yourself? What? Hello, what's up? What's going on? So I'm just exfoliating my face, making all this dead skin cells loose, etc. So I'm just going to turn back on this steamer because now I'm ready to steam my face since I loosened up all this dead skin. So yeah, what I was talking about was getting my lashes started. If you guys will support me, let me know, because I do want to start selling some stuff. Maybe like I want to sell like body scrubs too, and lip scrubs, and then I want to sell my own lashes. So if you guys will support me and you guys will buy the stuff, then that's when I will come out, so with like the line. So just drop in the comment section below, what will y'all support me, will y'all buy my product, etc. So you just want to steam your face for about 15 minutes just to get that little moisture up. And I do want to say, if you guys find something that works for your face, use that and don't stop using it, sis, because guess what? Once you stop using it, your stuff is gonna come right back. So I suggest everybody to find something that is perfect for their skin, etc. So what I use is the Urban RX skin cleanser. It has the little white top, and it comes in a little white box. So you guys can find that at Target. Use that, wash your face, scrub your face, leave it on for 2 minutes, use it as a mask, and then rinse off your face. Next, you wanna use the pumpkin scrub. Pumpkin scrub is for exfoliating and a mask after you steam your face, open your pores, etc. I do want to say I went to Lush. Lush is like a natural skincare. Let me tell you guys, their product smells so good. Plus, it's all natural. Plus, it works really good for my skin. Like, I definitely seen a difference. You guys, this feels so freaking good. So how you steam your face, if you don't have like a steamer, all you have to do is boil some water on top of the pot, and just sit your face over it. Or you could take a steaming rag. You could get the rag wet and put it in the microwave, and then lay it over your face, lay down, put some cucumbers on your eyes so you don't have bags. Sis, let me tell you, you're gonna be looking like a whole new woman. Oh, now I'm about to use my sucker upper machine, and I'm about to just start sucking these little bumps. It's called Urban Skin RX Melanin Expert Purifying 2-in-1 Pumpkin Pore Detox Mask and Scrub. So I'm just going to use a little bit of this, and I'm just going to rub it across my face, try to exfoliate my face, and leave it on for about, let's see, 15 minutes it says. And then I am going to just do my full mask. So you only really need a little bit, and I love exactly how this like heats up on your face. It feels so freaking good. Let me turn off this steamer so I can show you guys. So you just wanna put it all on your face. So fingers, yes. Okay, I'm just gonna let this sit on my face for 15 minutes, and then I will be right back. I am going to use one of my favorite face masks. This is called Rosy Cheeks, and this helps with redness so much. So if you guys have like a Lush in your city, state, wherever you're from, if you guys have a Lush, I definitely think you guys should go try it out. And you know this product is good when it expires, like so long after you get the product. Like I bought this July 8th, and it says use by July 29th. So the 29th is about to pass. It's the 23rd right now, so I need to hurry up and use this. How to use this: a smooth mask all over your skin, leave on for 15 minutes, rinse off with warm water, massage as you go. So I use it, I put it in the refrigerator because it's so cool on my face. And then this is what it looks like, and it smells so good. It smells like flower. So this product is 100% natural. It's vegan free, and I know that some guy, Max, made it. It has like a little person on the bottom of it. It says this person made it. So it's so cold and it feels so freaking good. And this helps with so much redness. Like, I haven't really been having any type of redness. I guess because like it cools in the refrigerator. I have no idea. But I'm definitely going back to get more. Now that I have the face mask on, this is it has like rose oil and all this rose clay and all this other good stuff in it. It smells so freaking good, you guys. Like, I just want to keep it on my face because it smells so good. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave this on my face for 15 minutes. This is how much I got left. So I have to use this before the 29th, which will definitely be gone. I am currently done washing off my face. My face feels so fresh, so clean, so fresh, so clean, so fresh, so clean. What's up? I'm going to just take some of this on my fingertips and I'm just gonna smooth it all over my face, and then I am ready for bed. I don't do too much on my face when I go to sleep. So this is what I usually do to my face. That is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you guys stay tuned for any other videos, because they're coming your way. So make sure you turn on post notifications. And again, I am doing a 100K subscriber giveaway, so make sure you guys go subscribe to my channel. Go subscribe to all my other channels. All the links will be in the description below. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Snapchat, follow me on everywhere. And just stay tuned into all life updates, whatever, pictures, whatever. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Like this video and turn on post notifications so you guys don't miss a video. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more. Peace.